Ever look at your sofa or your favorite reading nook and feel like just missing something? That one magical element that turns a house into a cozy, soulful home. If you are tired of the same mass produced, copy paste home decor that everyone bought from the big box store, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the ultimate crochet cushion designs inspiration guide. By the end of this video, you will see exactly how these handmade pieces can completely transform your space. And the best part, every single design you see today is available to bring home right now. Let's get cozy. First up, let's talk about the style that completely taking over interior design. Modern boho. Boho isn't just about carefree, it's about rich texture. Look at the depth on these bubble stitch cushions. They add a 3D element to your furniture that flat fabric just can't compare it with. Whether you lean toward minimalist neutrals or earthy tones like warm terracotta and sage, these fringe and texture cushions bring instant warmth. They are perfect for layering. Toss two of these on a leather armchair or a linen sofa. You have instantly created a space that begs you to curl up with a good book and a hot cup of tea. If your aesthetic leans is a bit more whimsical, romantic or nostalgic, this next collection is for you. Welcome to the world of category and reinvented vintage. Yes, the classic granny square is back, but not like your grandmother used to make. We have reimagined them with contemporary color palettes, soft pastels, muted jewel tones, crisp cream borders. These cushions are like a warm hug from the past, blending vintage charm with clean modern aesthetic. They look absolutely stunning on a bed, a window seat, or a rustic wooden bench. They just don't decorate a room, they tell a story. Now, for my statement makers out there, let's talk about the bold geometric abstract yarn. Who say crochet has to be quiet? These designs treat the cushion covers like a canvas, from retro checkered board patterns to striking color blocking shapes. These cushions doubles as functional art pieces. If you have a neutral room or a minimalist sofa, you don't need to repaint the wall to change the vibe. Just add one or two of high contrast pieces. It instant effort, less room makeover that screams functionality. But these cushions aren't just about looks. When you buy handmade art, you are investing in quality that lasts. Every single cushion in our collection is crafted with premium ultra soft yarn that feels incredibly intense to your skin. No scratchy fiber here. We pay attention to the details you can see from afar. Sturdy hidden zippers closure for easy cleaning, reinforced seamed and premium inserts that actually hold the shape over time. These aren't just fast fashion decor items, they will throw you away to the next season. These heirlooms are quite pieces built to be lived in, loved and admired for years. So which vibe speaks to your soul?